Hi, I'm Travis McGee, Chief Commercial Officer at Nadex. Now today, we're going to talk about a couple of the myths associated with one of the more popular products here at Nadex, the binary option. Now, for some of you newcomers to trading, perhaps you're just new to Nadex, and even you veterans out there, the term binary option can be intimidating. So let's move past that today and also address some of these myths that may be preventing you from your journey with binary options. Now, a binary option, quite simply, is just a yes or no question. So if we take an example, a trading example that may be familiar to many of you, will the S&P 500 finish above 3,000 by Friday? Yes or no? That's a binary option. Now, if you take that and you compare it to something I think many of you are familiar with, which is stock trading, if I go in to buy a stock, I'm hoping that that stock appreciates in value. Very simple concept. If I sell a stock, I'm hoping for the opposite, that it depreciates in value. Again, very simple concept. So much like binary options, these are very simple concepts to understand. Now with the binary, there are other variables involved, but generally speaking, very simple product to trade. Now that we're past that, some of the myths that are associated with binary options. Myth number one is that binary options are betting. Just like trading a stock, just like trading an option or perhaps trading a future, there's a lot that goes into trading binary options. Everything from probabilities to technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So in a lot of ways, trading a binary option is no different than trading anything else. It's not a finger in the air, cross our fingers and hope that something works out. There's a lot of effort that needs to go in setting yourself up to be successful as a binary option trader. So trading binary options is not a form of betting, and in no way is it different than trading a lot of different asset classes that are out there. Two is that binary options are illegal. Binary options are not illegal in the United States. In fact, Nadex is a CFTC regulated exchange that affords our members the ability to trade binary options in a regulated environment. Third is that Nadex employs account managers who will manage your account for you. Now this one really gets to me. So Nadex does not employ anyone to manage your account for you. Much like all the other self-directed brokerage accounts out there, we expect our members to fund their accounts with their own money and to trade their own account. We do not have anyone that works on behalf of the exchange that will manage your funds. So if you're ever solicited, whether it's in one of our social forums or anywhere else, email, phone, by anyone seeking to take your money and trade on your behalf, that is a scam. You need to get away. And then finally, binary options are limited in nature. It's something that you have to buy, you hold on to it, cross your fingers and hope at expiration that it works out in your favor. Again, let's go back to what we were talking about earlier. Binary options, like trading a stock, like trading an option, like trading a future, have some of the same characteristics that you have there. It's probabilities, it's technical analysis, fundamental analysis. There's the ability to enter and exit trades early. You do not have to hold it to expiration. You can choose the probability that is most fitting for you. You can also choose from various time frames, and a time frame, whether it's 5 minutes, 2 hours, or 1 week, that works for you. So a lot of flexibility built into binary options. So how do you trade them? Well, it's really simple. So if you look at these 4 myths and addressing each of those 4 myths, the first way to trade them is to do your homework. You have to educate yourself as a trader. Understand the market that you're going to trade. Find something that you're passionate about. Before you go in and just take a flyer on something, make sure that it's something that you truly have an opinion on. Look at the equity indices. See if there's something that is of interest to you. If you like tech stocks, it may be the Tech 100 at Nadex. If it's gold and oil, we have those commodities. Do your homework around those before you trade those markets. Second is you need to trade with a regulated partner. Again, Nadex, CFTC regulated, we are the home to binary option trading here in the United States. If you're looking to start your journey in binary option trading, there's no better place than at Nadex. Third is, again, you have to trade your own money. We don't have anyone here who does it for you. Everything is up to you. Fund your own account, get in there, trade your own funds. So it's all on you to set yourself up and position yourself to be successful when trading binaries. And 4, to do this, you have to have a plan. It's important that you have a plan. Know what you're getting into, and more importantly, after you execute that trade, understand when you're getting out. How much are you looking to make on a trade? How much are you willing to lose on a trade? Set your downside, set your upside, make sure you have a well-defined plan. These will help you position yourself to be more successful as a binary option trader. So there you have it, folks. We've discussed some of the myths. We discussed how to get started. We broke down binaries in its most simple form. Now it's up to you. Let's go out there. Let's get after it.